Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: Bruno is analyzing two machines to determine which one it should purchase. The company requires a rate of return of 14.6% and uses straight line depreciation to a zero book value over a machine's life. Ignore bonus depreciation and taxes. Machines has a cost of 3,18,000 annual operating costs of $8,700 and a life of 3 years. Machine B costs 2,47,000 has annual operating costs of $9,300 and a life of 2 years. Whichever machine is purchased will be replaced at the end of its useful life. Which machine should Bruno purchase and why? Select one. Option A, machine, because it will save the company about $18,100 a year. Option B, machine, because it will save the company about $13,406 a year. Option C, machine B, because it will save the company about $11,609 a year. Option D, 1,54,224.08. Option E, machine B, because it will save the company about $16,510 a year. The correct answer of the question: to determine which machine Bernoulli should purchase, we need to calculate the annual cost savings for each machine and compare them. For machine A, option 1, initial cost $3,18,000. Option 2, annual operating costs $8,700. Option 3, life 3 years. The answer of the question is described below in the answer section. You can stop the video and read the answer by yourself. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.